Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Zelle to Payoneer. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So transferring funds directly from Zelle to Payoneer isn't supported, as Zelle operates exclusively within the US, while Payoneer is designed for international transaction. And here is a simple workaround process for you, like an alternative method for you to be able to send money from your Zelle to Payoneer. So let's get started with the process. So use a US bank account as an intermediary. So to do this, you have to receive fund using your Zelle, then accept the Zelle transfer into your US bank account, then log into your Payoneer account, navigate to receive and select global payment service, then use the provided US receiving account details to receive fund from your bank to Payoneer, and that's it.